What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're creating a portrait illustration of Super Mario. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw a large oval for the nose. We're going to start right in the middle at the very top, go all the way around the left side, across the bottom, and then bend that back up from the right. Now I'm going to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw two ovals for the eyes tucked in behind the nose. Let's start on the left side and go around toward the top, come down the side, and just pull that in towards the nose. Let's do the same thing on the right. We're going to move over, go up towards the same height, round up the eye, and then bend that in. Let's push the iris and pupil towards the inside. So from the top left, we're going to draw another oval, going around, and then just tuck that back in towards the side, and then just line that up on the right. We're also going to push the pupil towards the inside, so drawing a smaller oval, going around, and then in. Let's add a small highlight circle along the top of the pupils, and it'll fill the bottom of the pupils in black. Now we're going to add those thick eyebrows above the eyes. Starting on the left side, we're going to curve around the eye and then bend that down on the inside. Let's line this up on the right. Just following the curve of the eye, coming down. Let's add some thickness to the brow. Starting back on the outside, we go up higher in the middle, and then bring that down on the inside. Let's fill the inside of the brows in black. Now let's move down and tuck the mustache in underneath the nose. We're going to start on the left side, curve around the eye, and then up. Now we're going to add those bumps across the bottom. Starting on the left, come around, and then in. Let's add another set of bumps, coming down, and then in. Then we'll add one more on either side, coming up in the middle, just underneath the nose. Let's go back and fill the mustache in black. Let's go to the bottom of the mustache and curve the mouth. We're going to go to the left side, bend this down, around, and then up. Along the top, we're going to add a curve for the teeth. Go down to the bottom, bend this up, and then down for the tongue. Let's fill the center of the mouth in black. Now with the face complete, let's move out to the side and draw the inside edge of the head. We're going to start on the left side. And bend this up, just above the brow, go across, and then bring that down on the right. Let's add the brim of the hat in behind the eyebrows, starting in the middle, bend this up, and then back down. Go to the outside, bend this across, and then out. Now I'm going to add the hair along the side of the head, starting on the left, curve this around, and then out. Let's add another bump. Coming in, go out, and just pull that up towards the edge of the hat brim. Now from the bottom of the hair, it's going to curve the cheeks. We're going to bump this out, come down, and then in. Now we want to close off the chin by following the same curve of the mouth, coming down in the middle, and then back up. Let's move over towards the side of the head and draw in the ears. We're going to start on the left, bend the ear, going up, come down, and then in towards the cheek, and then line that up on the right. Let's add a fold across the top. Now I want to draw the outside perimeter of the hat. Let's start on top of the left ear. I'm going to start by bending this out, go up and in. Now I want to go up towards the top of the hat in the middle, round that out, come down towards the right, and we're just going to bend that in towards the ear. Let's add a circle in the center of the hat tucked in behind the hat brim. So we're going to start on the left. Draw a large circle going all the way around and then back in. Now I want to draw that M in the center of that circle. Start with a V along the top. Angle this down and out along the side. Now I just want to trace the M along the inside. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a portrait illustration of Super Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.